This is the M18 fuel power-free drain cleaner. It runs off an 18-volt battery. It has a fully dedicated design with a fully enclosed drum for the best mess containment. We have a flat base, that means we can put the tool down and have one hand free for guiding the cable. It has a cable drive system that has 3 positions. Neutral for manual feed and retract of the cable. We have a lock position, so we can work the clog without the cable moving. And we have the auto feed, where we can feed and retract our cable. This goes with a speed of 20 centimeters per second. When we are done with the job, we simply take our tool, open up the bucket that's provided with the tool, drop that in, put this lid on top, where you can store your batteries, chargers and accessories, close the bucket, and we're ready for the next job.